This is Fred Burrow with Swift Plumbers, and this is under customer number 1165051912. That's 1165051912, video number 1. And what we've diagnosed here is we found the clean out behind the home, and the clean out has some water at the bottom of the pipe, which it shouldn't. That clean out's going to be heading in this direction from the home, and there's probably a pitch issue or maybe a partial blockage out that way. That is not what the customer called about. I just discovered it. What the customer did, however, call about, we're going to go around to the inside of the home, and you can see that PVC pipe. This home used to be on septic, is what would have happened, and they hooked it up. You can see the vent cone out front. I'm going to go in here and show you on this video what is currently happening, and we're going to take a look on the inside. I'll tell you in just a second, okay? We're going to go on the inside. We've got a single bathroom home, so we're going to have to cable it from that clean out back up towards here, so we don't have to cable everything out, but so we don't have to pull the toilet and incur more of a cost here. Now in the next video you're going to see that we can solve this problem from cabling backwards. What happens here is when we run this to flush our toilet, it's going to come up in our bathtub right there. See it start to come up. Toilet won't flush. There's the sewer. The sewage start to come up. A little water in there. So that's our problem here. We've got all three of these backed up. That means the domestic drain line, or the drain under the house here, between here and the clean out, has a blockage in it. So we're going to have to cable that backwards. That will not solve the other solution. As you can see, we're fully backed up inside the home. But I'm going to walk back over there to the clean out and show you that the sewage didn't rise in the clean out. Now, if the plug was after the clean out, you would have water rising up the clean out. So that water I noticed on the bottom doesn't mean the plug is past it. It just means there's a second issue here that needs to be addressed. But we're going to address what the customer called about today and get them flowing again, and then talk about how to permanently solve the problem. This is video 1 of 2. Swift Plumbers, Fred Burrow.